Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to disable cellular data for specific apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open settings on your iPhone, then tap cellular or mobile data on your iPhone. Scroll down. As you can see, I don't have any SIM card, so mine is saying setup cellular. But you will see cellular options, so you have to scroll down to see a list of apps using cellular data. Toggle off the apps you don't want to use mobile data, and that's it. This is so simple. And there's other option which is basically turn off cellular data completely. Cellular data completely, because it will turn off your data using from all apps. Like just turn off your cellular data from settings, and then you just have to tap on cellular and you will see the option to turn it off. That's now how you restrict mobile data for specific apps on your iPhones, like let me explain, like WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other apps. And that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.